Firstly, remove the engine cover. This is simply lifted off the engine. We can now access the rail pressure sensor and the boost sensor. Unclip the factory rail connector by pressing down on its releasing tab. Connect our rail harness plug to the rail sensor. Then connect the factory rail connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Remove the boost connector by pushing down on its releasing tab, then pulling back on the connector. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Connect the unit to the wiring loom, then place it into the provided protective bag. Route the tuning box and wiring harness away from direct heat or moving parts. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring harness with the cable ties provided. Replace the engine cover by pushing it back into place. Finally, ensure that the LEDs illuminate in accordance with the supplied instructions.